the same thing. It's the same thing.
Wow.
And then Ubaba Ngizwe Mngunu.
Yeah. Bing the Nation.
He's the what's that? Yeah, what's that? What's that about?
No, Ngizwe is my former colleague. Ngizwe, he's very smart. I want to talk this. He's very, very smart. But we position because even the king monarch in Lulamita Makos, Itana in the Bing the Nation we are endorsed. So he's the president of Bing the Nation. You like it or not? But now what he's doing Ngizwe, we are feminine. And then Utole where our people ban a problem, but capitalize on that. I would say it's a good, maybe a bad strategy, but for him now, it's working for him because he's popular. We are feminine, yeah. When I saw that loop, when the Jan, it's going to put room, and we all solve my cases. I can't encourage Jack. We boot. No, I can't encourage Jack. It's good.
So it's an organization or it's a party?
Yeah, Bing Nation. No, at the moment, Ugwenza is Ngizwe Mngunu. Badu president we Bing the Nation. Bing the Nation now. Bing the Nation. Ilabantu ikakhulukazi besuke emakhaya besemo hostel but aba understand that but manje mo uyibhinga usuku uproud ukuthi you are a Zulu A. Mo uyibhinga nje mo uthi nje ngibhinga. Mo kuthiwa nje uyijongo. Usuku ne show ukuthi mina me Zulu A. And Ngizwe there was a show ayenze Radio 80 inkotha yolimi. So wenza show ukuthi angapheli isiZulu. So he's doing that namanje ukuthi abantu abazazi bangobani. So the Bing the Nation is there and bamthanda. They love what he's doing.
So it's like an informal social movement.
Sure.
It's nothing formal. It's not like it's got a space.
Yeah, sure.
In the formal.
It's like in Abantu Bay, it's not over until God says it's over. The motivation. It's just my thing. I'm motivating them. We don't kill yourself. Don't do that. Don't do drugs. In the informal. Now he's got that Bing the Nation, but endorsed by the king.
Yes, recognized by the king.
Yeah, recognized by the king. If the king says, yes, event. I saw okay. Say respect over inkosi kulumile. So Ngizwe what he's doing. No.
Yeah, sanibona. Hey ke wakhuluma kahle ubabulinda wakhuluma nje into ezwakalayo wachaza kahle sa understand. Kodwa mina ngendlela engibona ngayo ngesikhathi uma ekujimbuza about ubaba Ngizwe Mchunu ngathi bebelindele ukuthi mhlambe akhulume kabi ngaye mhlambe ngewrong but mina ngibona kukanjalo. Kodwa ke hey uMr Magic wakhuluma kahle wachaza kahle sa understand. Hayi cha shem ivoice yakhe namanje ayakashintshi uyabona nje ukuthi uyozaguga abe yikhehla nje une voice nje ye radio. Anyway guys asikho lapho ke guys bantu bakhulumile ke lapha kuma comments sofuna nje ama comments ambalwa wona bemaningi impela kodwa ngesizikuna wonke soya kwambalwa. Uthi lona he's so positive in his speech umuntu omdala ukhuluma kanjena. Yes 100% I agree. Calling Ngizwe Mchunu ubaba Mchunu is crazy business. Akanyela shame. Guys phela thina amaZulu guys siyahlonipha nje siyabantu nje abazinhlonipho nje futhi inhlonipho into nje esikhuliswe ngayo siyahlonipha nje samaZulu so angazi ukuthi yini ethusayo lapha. Haw ehene ubaba Mchunu hayi uzungane ena 10 ongeza Mchunu uthi TikTok ubaba Mchunu guys ahlonipheni thina amaZulu ke sonifundisa inhlonipho ngoba ngathi abanye benu aniyazi. Uthi lo OMG yazi iBinca Nation ingaphila mangahle yena noLinda Sibiya besebenza ndawonye. I'm not sure about that because ubaba uLinda Sibiya akasilona iBinca guys akalona iBinca angiboni ukuthi bangasebenzisana ndawonye kwiBinca Nation because cha akalona nje inhlobo iBinca. Binca Nation yini yona leyo sizothi nje mhlambe ehamba ubuza unyoko ngiyadlala iBinca Nation guys hamba ubuka i-podcast bayayichaza nje ngiyazi mina ukuthi yini iBinca Nation but angikwazi ukuyichaza so angifuni lo ngibheda la yabo. Leli event I will never learn to pronounce Ngizwe's surname. Ngizwe taught him but still kusenzima kulo. OMG uthi mncunu and ngiyakhumbula ngizomfundisa ukuthi athi mchunu. Hayi cha, kodwa guys thina samaZulu yazi he sinolimo lu strong ngoba thina ayikho thina ilo ama words esingakwazi ukwa pronounce awekho. Kodwa labanye abesuthu amezu laba abanye abakwazi nje khona amagama abangakwazi ukubiza thina siwabiza wonke nje sabe isiZulu shem we are gifted mncunu. Ooh, I beg shame. Anyway guys, that's it for now. Ngizonibona kwi video elandelayo.